In this lecture, we are going to learn very simple but effective navigation tips. The first one is going to be go to definition. Imagine you have a reference to a class or a method and you want to know what its definition is. The only thing you have to do is control-click over it. And the file with the definition is going to open. You can do the same thing with the method name as you can see in here. The next tip is about navigating through errors when you have lots of them. If you have errors in a file, you are going to see it underlined in red. In addition to that, the errors themselves are going to be underlined in the editor, but it's going to be difficult to know where they are if the file is large. In order to facilitate the task, you have this gutter in here. Errors are shown in red and warnings in yellow, and if you hover them, a pop-up is going to show up with a message telling you what the error or the mistake is, if it is within the editor view. If it's not, it shows a preview. If we click over them, they are going to be shown in the editor window. But I think there is an easiest way to do the same task. If you just hit F2, you are going to jump directly to the next error. If you hit Shift F2, you are going to jump to the previous error. And the last tip we are going to see in this lecture is how to show the recently used files. It is a very useful command when you have to work with several files that are very related to one another. In order to open the window, just hit Ctrl-Shift-E. Just select the one you want in order to open it into the editor.